understand the depth of respect, the depth of the sacredness of being a teacher. Why do we chant every day Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha? We tell God cannot be there in every place, so He has created the books.
Alphabet yes has something strength or something. See, if you see Shushila ma'am, Sunita ma'am, Shalli ma'am, Shilpa ma'am, and again Suchitra ma'am. So I feel it's something strength I have learned from each one of them.
All of you are very nice in your own way. But now today I have to speak about Shilpa ma'am. Shilpa ma'am is Captain Cool, I feel. And she has always this term saying that nothing is rocket science. Everything you can do it.
Jyoti ma'am, when I first joined, so the first and foremost appealing thing I learned about Jyoti ma'am is humility. So that is what the best thing in Jyoti ma'am is, apart from being a great leader.
दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूटे से बंदी है हवा, मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू, ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू।
तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है, बाबरे क्यों दिखाए सपने तू सोते जाते।
I know it. This is butter. Please go back.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे दो निशान, किसी का दर्द ले सके, किसी के वास्ते वो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। ओ मेरा दिल का अकेला तुम तेरे सकेला, तेरी याद में जाऊं रात भर। बाजीगर तू है बड़ा जादूगर। ಬೆಳಗಿದ್ದು ಯಾರ ಮುಖವ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಅಂದಾನೋ ಅದೃಷ್ಟನೋ ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ।
My voice a lot, so it's just a small dialogue.
నిన్ను పరువై పరువానికొచ్చింది, నా ఆకలి తీర్చే వయసు నీకొచ్చింది. నిన్ను కొన్ని చంకా నలుపుతూ నీ సారా మొత్తం పీల్చేయాలి.
ಇಂಗಾಲವನ್ನು ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡರೂ ಪರಿಸರ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಯಾರವರು ಅವರೇ ಆ ಮಾನವರು.
तू धूप है झंग से बिखर, तू है नदी बेखबर.
Hello everyone. On the occasion of Teachers' Day celebration today at Vishwa Vidyapeeth, we teachers were felicitated and honoured for the unwavering contribution in empowering the citizens of tomorrow. It was an occasion packed with fun-filled games and activities. And though unlike a traditional setup where we are all surrounded by our students on the eve of Teachers' Day, it was well compensated by the messages we received from them. Finally, in keeping with the spirit of the occasion, we teachers were made to feel extremely special in what was truly a humbling experience. Thank you.
It's not the first time we will be celebrating Teachers' Day. But this time it was something special. Amidst this pandemic, management, director, principal, and all the heads decided to make our day special by celebrating this day. From the usual routine, we had a change by playing games, a chance to showcase our talents, and one special thing which happened was some of the teachers among us got the Best Teachers Award. A day to cherish for all of us. Thank you for celebrating Teachers' Day.
ಮನದ ಅಂಧಕಾರವನ್ನು ತೊಳೆದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವೆಂಬ ಬತ್ತಿ ಹೊಸೆದು ಜ್ಞಾನವೆಂಬ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ತುಂಬಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಕಾಗುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನಿಮಗಿದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಒಂದು ಮಗುವಿನ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೀಣ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಅವಶ್ಯಕ. ಅಂತಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ನೀಡುವುದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಕೋರಿದ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರತಿ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಿದ್ದಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಪೀಠ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Namaste to one and all. I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. It gives me immense pleasure to say that I am a teacher, because teaching is that profession which creates all the other professions. And today's children will be tomorrow's nation builders. I thank our institution, Vishwa Vidyapeeth, and all its members for grooming me and making me a better teacher every day. I also thank my dear children who have shown great support and have sent heartwarming wishes for this Teachers' Day. Thanks a lot.
So your wishes and love made our day. It was really fantastic, the performances that you did for us. A very big heartwarming thank you from my side. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
बह चल कहीं, उड़ चल कहीं.